How's it going, everybody? Today, I'm going to show you how to reset the oil life or maintenance light in your Honda Fit. This is a simple DIY money-saving hack. You can do this yourself at home and never spend more money than is necessary for your next oil change. So let's get to work. Alright, if your Honda Fit equip cluster like this, or like this, you can reset the oil life by using the knob on the dash. So let me teach you right now. Step 1. Turn the key on. Step 2. Push the trip button on the dash and go through until you get to the oil life screen. Step 3. Push and hold the button for 10 seconds until it flashes. Step 4. Release and then hold it again for another 5 seconds until it resets to 100% and you're done. Next, if your Honda Fit is equipped with a toggle control on the steering wheel, you can reset the oil life like this. Step 1. Put the ignition on. Step 2. Press the up or down button to go to the vehicle settings menu and press the reset button to select. Step 3. Click the up or down button until you get to maintenance info and select it. Step 4. Now scroll up and that will give you the option to reset. Step 5. To reset it, you need to press the reset button to confirm and you're done. So that's how you do it. I hope that was easy enough and useful for you. Make sure to hit that subscribe button for more car maintenance tips and tutorials. Anyway, thanks for your time and good luck.